Hey everybody, Jay here. Thanks for tuning in again. We're bringing you a video today about the Rumble Jar. And the Rumble Jar is this thing that does cold brew where they give you this stainless steel insert that's perforated with very little tiny micro holes in them. You fill it with coffee. We filled ours, in this case, with 64 grams of coffee of our nice cold brew. And then we put it in for about 16 hours or so. Now we're going to take it out and show you just how easy it is to utilize and clean. So basically we're pulling it out and there it is, just let it drip off. I've got another jar here just to set it in so that we can contain it. Now it's time to clean the Rumble. As you can see, the silicone top pops off. It's filled with coffee almost to the top. Just going to knock it out into the trash here. Just knock, knock, knock. Get all the coffee out and yeah, there it is. Then we're rinsing. We're rinsing it a bit. Because of the perforations, it's a little bit strange to rinse out, but you just got to keep at it and slosh it around. You'll get it. I like to use a little bit of detergent just to make sure that all the oils are off and clean. And there it is. Nice and clean and quick and easy. Not too bad, huh? So now back to tasting. Let's get the jar. It's all ready to go at this point now. After being steeped, we're just going to take it and pour it into our cup and have a taste. Of course, this is our Perla Negra, a great coffee. If you want to try it, buy it at Sproastery.com. And it's got nice chocolate notes, creaminess, really nice, good body. Looks like I like it. I don't know if I'm selling it that well, but that's all right. And once you're done with it, whatever you're going to drink that moment, put it back in the jar, seal it up, and you're good to go. And that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.